Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most extravagant and luxurious lifestyles around the world. Today, we're jet-setting to the glamorous city-state of Monaco, known for its opulent casinos, stunning yachts, and lavish lifestyle. Join us as we dive into the world of the rich and famous in luxury lifestyle of Monaco. Monaco, a tiny sovereign state nestled on the sparkling Côte d'Azur, has long been synonymous with extravagant living. This sun-drenched principality, barely exceeding 2 square kilometers, packs a luxurious punch, attracting the world's elite with its opulent experiences, mesmerizing scenery, and alluring tax haven status. A life bathed in sunshine and opulence. Monaco's charm begins with its idyllic Mediterranean climate. Year-round sunshine paints the sky a vibrant blue, while gentle breezes carry the scent of salt and promise endless days spent basking on pristine beaches. Millionaire-filled marinas overflow with sleek yachts, their polished surfaces reflecting the glamour that defines Monaco. For those who prefer a touch of history with their luxury, Monacoville, perched atop a dramatic cliff, offers a glimpse into the principality's rich heritage. The Prince's Palace, the official residence of the Grimaldi family, exudes grandeur, while the medieval cobbled streets whisper tales of a bygone era. Playground of the rich and famous. Monaco caters to every whim of the discerning luxury seeker. Lavish hotels adorned with Michelin-starred restaurants provide unparalleled service and culinary experiences. Exclusive designer boutiques like Chanel and Dior line the streets, tempting shoppers with the latest haute couture collections. The legendary Monte Carlo casino, immortalized in films and novels, beckons high rollers with its opulent gaming halls and the chance to rub shoulders with celebrities and socialites. For those seeking a different kind of thrill, the Monaco Grand Prix is a heart-stopping spectacle that transforms the city streets into a high-octane racetrack, showcasing the pinnacle of motorsport. Beyond the glitz, cultural delights, and serene escapes, Monaco offers more than just glitz and glamour. The renowned Oceanographic Museum, a testament to Prince Albert's passion for marine science, boasts fascinating exhibitions and a breathtaking rooftop aquarium. The Monte Carlo Philharmonic Orchestra, acclaimed for its virtuosity, delivers soul-stirring performances that cater to the refined palate. For those seeking a respite from the vibrant energy, the Jardin Exotique boasts a haven of lush greenery and captivating cacti displays. A short distance away, the charming village of Azure, perched atop a hill, offers a tranquil escape with breathtaking panoramic views. Exclusivity with a price tag. Living in Monaco, often synonymous with luxury and exclusivity, comes with a significant price tag. The principality, renowned for its opulence and glamorous lifestyle, boasts one of the highest costs of living in the world. This exclusivity, however, comes with a hefty price that extends beyond monetary considerations. One of the most striking aspects of living in Monaco is the cost of accommodation. The principality is home to some of the most expensive real estate in the world, with luxurious apartments commanding sky-high prices, especially those offering breathtaking sea views or overlooking the iconic Monaco Grand Prix circuit. A world apart. Nestled on the Mediterranean coastline, Monaco stands as a beacon of exclusivity and luxury. This small city-state, known for its breathtaking views and glamorous lifestyle, has long been a haven for the wealthy and elite. Attracting a global community of affluent individuals, Monaco's tax advantages and strict residency requirements contribute to its reputation as a playground for the rich and famous. One of the key factors that sets Monaco apart is its status as a tax haven. With no income tax for individuals, residents are able to enjoy the fruits of their labor without the burden of heavy taxation. Fast and furious, Formula One. But Monaco isn't all about relaxation. Every year, the roar of Formula One engines fills the air as the iconic Monaco Grand Prix takes place. The streets of Monte Carlo transform into a legendary racetrack, with drivers navigating tight corners and pushing their machines to the limit. Witnessing the Grand Prix is an experience unlike any other. The atmosphere is electric, with celebrities, royalty, and racing enthusiasts all gathered to witness this historic event. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the luxury lifestyle of Monaco. We hope you enjoyed experiencing the glamour and opulence of this extraordinary city-state. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the world's most luxurious destinations. Until next time, stay classy.